Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery at night. That's a 10 by 10 inch canvas. That is some Meaden white paint. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula by Good Grips. Available on my Amazon link under the link tree, underneath Show More, underneath the 20% off Prizm Pour, 20% off color art discount code. I'm going to use some Prizm Pours, but not right exactly this second. I'm going to wait until I'm happy with my layer of paint. Doesn't have any weird anomalous objects in it. I see one. There's always one. And I'm going to do something I've been thinking about all day, and I'm not sure how it's going to work. So I'm just going to start. I've got some French silk. Which is very iridescent. I've got some Chantilly lace, which is very sparkly. And I want this to be mostly creamy yellows, which might be a tall order. I mixed up a pale yellow, I thought, there it is, mixed Tuscan Sun and Chantilly lace. I'm going to use a little bit of Tuscan Sun too. I'm really changing my mind a little bit, but it's only because I haven't done this before. I have, it might be crazy, I have silver, true silver. And if I swipe this once and I hate it, I'm going to do something else to it. So I guess we'll see how it unfolds. I have some black iris. I'm really curious to see how that would work. I'm going to get it shut so I can... It's a very reminds me of Payne's Gray, except for it's more turquoisey than blue. So I'm not sure that that's enough paint, but I think what I'm going to do is give myself some Mayan gold. And at least one more layer. My cling sticky wrap is coming off. One more layer of Chantilly lace. Because the whites and the yellows should look pretty stellar, even the golds, with some black cell activator. But I don't know, since I haven't tried it, and I've wanted to try it for quite a while now. And I think what I'm going to do is grab a clean spatula. Am I? Am I going to grab a card? I'm going to grab something. There we go. There's the perfect card right there. It's a little schmutzy. I put some Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam Black in it. And hope for the best. I'm going to wipe that off in my little scrape dish. And right now, before it goes any further, is a good time for me to decide if I want to do something else to it. Like put orange in between or something. But I think I'm just going to live with it. I'll do either end. I should be just wiping that off on the ends, actually. I've been wanting to do this for so long. You got to do it once to figure out what you need to do the next time to get it the way you really want it. I may put a straw in there. I was afraid there wasn't going to be enough paint, but I think there's a perfect amount of paint. I may be painting my edges black. I'm tempted by adding a little bit of white on top of the black, but I'm not sure. I think I can start with the white. Put some right on the card. Put the black over the top. And see how that works. A little more white. Purple's calling to me now. A little more black. So far so good. I know the cells are just going to keep developing like that. So it might be very cool. After I do this, I'm going to contemplate about purple. A little more white. A little more black. It's really not turning out as I was expecting, but I don't know exactly what I was expecting anyway. I need a silver cell activator, I think. Okay, so now, whatever next color I want, in between there, I should put down. And I'm thinking, just zhuzh the whole thing up. This bottle does not work right. Let's see how that goes the first time before I make any decisions. And then I can probably just go all over the map if I want to. Wipe off my card. I keep a studio rag for just such a thing. I kind of want the purple in there. Darn. Okay, well I'm going to do it. I'm going to put some purple. That was frozen, by the way. I think I'm going to like it. Even though I meant to replace the bottle top, and I didn't do that. I'm loving the frozen with the purple combination. See, I said I'd do something different. Come on, out you come. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I really like that. I am going to have to keep wiping off my card though. Now, did I put another color on there? Shoot, I can't remember. Okay, fine. I think I put a little black on there. So I'll just use the black I have dipped. I guess we'll find out. Let's do it somewhere else other than the first place. I'm going for just purple this time. That's pretty cool. So far so good. I'm liking this. I do think I used black. I'm not positive, but it's not a young brain anymore. So I am going to flood the black a little bit. That first section is the best, which in theory, the rest of them should be catching up any time. Please. I kind of want to use gold in there. That might be okay. Maybe, maybe not. I've got orange. The orange would be really, really fun to use. I've got magenta, which would be pretty. We could use magenta and orange. Or we could just stick with the plan. Grab a little bit of black, a little bit more purple. I wonder what happened here. I just didn't use enough. I mean, I just used too much. That makes me want to use the straw. Pardon me while I make odd patterns. I am liking this. It's very different. It's not keeping me from wanting to add purple to the orange, or vice versa rather. So I'm going to do that because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under the link tree, on the link tree underneath Show More. There, I'm not sorry. I'm going to blow into that yellow though. Or more appropriately, nearby colors. Yeah, wow, okay. That was not a mistake. That was a great experiment. So let's just wipe off my card again so it's clean. Go back to purple, orange, and gold. And I never did use the magenta because I don't think I needed it. Yes, I like that a lot. I like encouraging cells and disturbing things a little bit. I think I'm almost ready to be done, which means I should tell you guys I have over 2,400 videos, almost 2,500. And they're organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And if you ever need a link, you can ask me, feel free. And if I can help hook you up with a playlist, I'll be happy to do that too. I've got them all saved and ready to share. Oh, never done that before. Come here, thing. Well, that'll be the one most interesting stripe, the one I dropped it in the painting. So that is pretty cool. I kind of want some black over on this edge, and I've got an inclination to just do that with my finger and some cell activator. Yeah, and maybe just along the other side too. I have a feeling this is going to be really pretty. I see that purple spot that's not got all of its color in place. This is cool. I'm going to use the straw a little more. I have been having a ball making patterns, really wild patterns these days. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you any shimmer, but I will give it a shot. As long as my phone comes back on. Right now. Oh yeah, that's cool. Let's get right down in there close. Oh, that's neat. Different colors. I really want to get a whole bunch more cell activated colors. Especially some cerulean blue, which I was experimenting with early. Wow. That's beautiful. So there's a monthly drawing to help support the production of videos at the studio. And if you'd like to be in it, making a donation through PayPal, where you can find the link, the icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the link on my link tree. Anyway, it'll get you an invitation to get in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes, and there are prizes. At the beginning of the exhibition video that I include on the end screen of this video. Well, I wanted some yellow and some blue together, and I have just enough yellow left not to be weird. I'm not a huge fan of yellow, but when you use it right, it makes everything else pop, so... Or maybe everything else makes it pop, I'm not sure. I want a spot right there. There we are. We're good to go. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for your wonderful, kind words and comments. Ooh, I'm showing that in the light in the camera. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate that. Make sure you know that that 20% color art coupon code helps me as an affiliate make a little bit of something to help me keep bringing you video tutorials. My email is below, show more, underneath the link tree. I do sell my artwork. I will be torching this in a minute to release any bubbles. I'll also look for them with a sharp stick, and I'm going to be blacking my edges because I don't care about tipping any color over the sides. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more will take you to show you places like pixels.com, Fine Art America for shopping, and if you can't find what you're looking for on any of the places that carry my artwork on them, ask, because if you see something and it's not there, I can probably add it for you. Spring Clothing is under the video, and same thing there. There's all over print t-shirts and all over print leggings and other cool stuff, and Le Gallerist is clothing made in Montreal, all over prints. Society 6 is the bomb. If you've got shopping to do and you need to buy presents, I would check there if I were you. I give lessons to the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I think I mentioned I do sell my artwork. Whatever I missed, other than the fact that you can speak to me in comments, but if you're looking for tomorrow's video, look on the community board. I think that's about it, and I'm winded. If you have questions, please feel free to ask, and if you're looking for my cell activator or my paint pouring recipe, it's under Show More, and I love you guys. I hope you keep coming back. I post at noon and midnight for the moment, and 7 days a week. So share my videos, share them, watch them longer, and watch the commercials if you can stand to. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.